This is the old IRobot Roomba Series 500 Virtual Barrier. This sensor barrier has stopped working. I had to buy a new one, but then when I look it up, it costs around $40 each. I waited for a few months and I finally found one that is cheaper. This is the generic version of the virtual barrier, and this is compatible with Series 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 EIS series robot vacuum compared to part number 4636429, and it comes with backup 2. This one costs around $31 or 2, so it comes with backup 2, and it's a lot smaller than the old version of the IRobot Roomba. And this one here, this can be just one straight barrier. In other words, here's this little hole over here that houses the individual virtual barrier of it. So when I switch it over to, so let's say bring it up there, it will create an invisible line going this way, and so that when the vacuum goes around here, it doesn't go past that because there's a virtual barrier over here in this area. And then when I switch this down to that little circle over there, down there, and put it on the center of the room, now this virtual barrier is gonna create about 1.3 meter circumference. The vacuum will not go close to anywhere around that circumference, going around in circle. And the purpose of that is, you know, just in case you have kids with jigsaw puzzles on the floor or toys on the floor, the IRobot vacuum will not go there and try to push it around or vacuum the little items or toys. This is much better, and it's cheaper because you can buy this for two for around $30. Thanks for watching.